Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to add favorites on your Facebook. Maybe you want to add a person into your favorite on Facebook, but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can add favorites on your Facebook. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then scroll down and you will see here settings and privacy. Tap on this drop down button and then select the settings. And then in here, under the preferences, you will see here the newsfeed. Tap on this newsfeed. And then in here is the favorites. Tap on these favorites. And then in here, as you can see, I have one person that is in my favorite. If you want to add friends to your favorites, simply tap on that add button beside your friend's account. As you can see, I added this account to my favorites. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add favorites on your Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add favorites on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.